My phone! What's wrong with you?
I didn't mean
Watch where you're going!
I'm sorry.
What's wrong? It's cracked! It's cracked!
I just came.
You're gonna buy me a new one!
But why'd you do that? I just came from.
You're gonna buy me a new phone!
But I'm tired.
It's cracked!
I don't have the money.
Okay, go get the money!
I can't.
Go ask your mom or your dad and get me a new phone! It's broken!
I just came home from school. I had a long day.
It's broken! What don't you understand? You know how much this is?
How much?
It's $1,000!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's all ruined!
Is there any way I can make it up to
You have to buy me a new one!
I'm sorry, please.
You have to buy me a new one!
Don't hurt me, please.
You're gonna buy me a new one, right?
I can't.
You have to!
I can't
You have to
afford
buy me a
it.
new one!
I can't
You have to buy
afford
me a new
it.
one! Come on! You have to buy me a new one!
I'm sorry.
My phone is broken!
I can't afford
You're gonna
it.
buy me a new one, right?
No, I can't.
You have to!
I can't afford it.
I'll tell you one thing loud and clear. You're gonna buy me a new phone, right? It's broken. Are you gonna buy me a new phone?
I can't.
Wrong answer! You gonna buy me a new phone? Hey! You gonna buy me a new phone? Come on! Served it anyway. And my phone is still cracked. That didn't fix anything.